So coming to here, the cytokinesis which takes place in the meiosis, like after the meiosis, the cytokinesis which takes place can be of two types, that is the successive or simultaneous. So coming to the successive, it is the cytokinesis that takes place after the meiosis 1 and also after the meiosis 2, and it takes place only in the monocots. And coming to the simultaneous meiosis, in the simultaneous cytokinesis, the cytokinesis takes place only once, that is after the meiosis 2. So coming to the successive means that is beside, so it takes place two times, that is after meiosis 1 and after meiosis 2, and takes place in monocot. How can you remember this? So this is very simple, that is it takes place two times after meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So you can say successive, that is CC, repetitive cytokinesis two times. And but example, if you say it is instead of dicot, here it's like monocot they given, so you can remember like examples are reversed in the sense. And simultaneously cytokinesis means it takes place only after the meiosis 2, that is monocots, that is the dicots. And significance of this meiosis, so the chromosome number is maintained constant. So if you see in the chromosomes, if you see the chromosome number when it was in diploid state, it is in 2n condition. If those two gametes only will fuse, then it will become 4n, then the organism cannot sustain. So they will what ensure that the meiosis ensures that the 2n is maintained from one generation to another generation. Okay, that one. Mitosis means it maintains the same chromosomal number from one species to another species. And the meiosis is nothing but the chromosomal number is reduced to half, and fertilization restored to diploid, and gamete formation takes place here, that is which is essential for the reproduction. And then we have the genetic recombination crossing over during packaging stage, variation of species. So variation of species can be seen here, and the genetic recombinations crossing over during the packaging stage. So this is what we have discussed today, that is the cytokinesis, which is meiosis, which can be two types, successive and simultaneous. So I have said you how to remember. So successive can be only it takes place in the monocots, and simultaneous cytokinesis can takes place only after the meiosis 2, and it is